Today we're taking a look at these NCAAB matches, which are happening on Tuesday, February 22, 2022, and giving you match breakdowns, betting tips and predictions in general on these games. Welcome back to High Stakes, let's get straight into it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to get notified as soon as we release these sport prediction videos, and if you would like more betting tips and predictions, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Our new Patreon is a way for us to help you improve your chances of making more money. 5 plans are available for each and every one of you. You can get 30 extra betting picks all the way up to 500 extra betting picks per month. Stop wasting hours of your time searching for bad betting picks that ends up costing you a lot of money. Join the High Stakes Patreon now and get the best betting picks. Kent State vs Ball State. Ball State is 6th in the MAC with a 7-8 conference record, 2 games ahead of Northern Illinois in the 9th spot, which will not make the MAC tournament. Ball State picked up a big win on Saturday, ending a 3-game losing streak by going on the road and taking down a struggling Bowling Green team 91-82. Our total pick for this game is under 141.5 points. And here is why. The Cardinals are 249th according to KenPom, dragged down by the defense that is 300th in adjusted efficiency. They are 183rd in adjusted offensive efficiency, with 4 double-digit scorers led by Peyton Sparks, a 6'9" freshman, who is averaging 13.4 points and 8.3 rebounds per contest. The team's second leading scorer is 6'2" junior Tyler Cochran with 12.1 ppg and a team-best 2.1 steals per contest. Luke Bumbalough, 6'1" junior, leads the team with 2.8 assists per game and averages 11.4 ppg. The Golden Flashes are 133rd overall, according to KenPom. They are 76th in adjusted defensive efficiency and 213th in adjusted offensive efficiency. Sincere Carey leads the team with 17.9 ppg and adds 4.7 assists and 4.6 rebounds. Malik Jacobs is second, averaging 11.8 ppg and leads the team with 7.4 rebounds. Kent State is 3rd in the MAC, only 1 game behind Ohio and Toledo for the top spot, with 4 regular season games left to go. The Golden Flashes are on an 8-game winning streak after beating arch-rival Akron 66-64, Toledo 72-59, and Ohio 75-52 on Friday. The Ball State Cardinals are a hit-or-miss team that struggles on the road, where they lose by an average of 11.1 points. The Kent State Golden Flashes are playing some of their best ball of the season right now with a red-hot offense, and they win at home by an average of 14.1 points, while allowing 36.9% shooting from the field. Disclaimer, no financial advice. The information on this channel is provided for education and informational purposes only, without any express or implied warranty of any kind, including warranties of accuracy, completeness, or fitness for any particular purpose. The information contained in or provided from or through this channel is not intended to be and does not constitute financial advice, investment advice, trading advice, or any other advice. The information on this channel and provided from or through this channel is general in nature and is not specific to you, the user, or anyone else. You should not make any decision, financial, investment, trading, or otherwise, based on any of the information presented on this channel without undertaking independent due diligence and consultation with a professional broker or financial advisor.